All right. Wakire kose were we and on share homanchua soto tegrete. It's my pleasure again to welcome you back to Grand Granite Diaspora Circle. And we are adding members day in, day out, but I don't want to talk much. We have our guest tonight, and that's the legend himself. I will not have much to talk about him. Let me welcome Sister Lillian. So that she can introduce our guests today. Sister Lillian, welcome.
Thank you, Omar Ali, for this golden chance you have given us. You have always been stepping up to help us give back to the community. It's a great pleasure to be associated with you. And we have on the board here with us today to get our people know who we are and keep the awareness going. We have Dr. We have Mr. George Onyancha from Botswana. He's a wonderful entrepreneur. When somebody talks about George, it's a sign of hope. That is what we see when we hear Mr. George Onyancha. Karibu sana. We have Mr. Fred Machoka, Roga, Sanyo, Ju, Sano, everywhere. Those who knows that, when you hear that, the name just Fred is the joy that comes in your heart. It is the hope that makes you know that you can also make it. The two that I've talked about, they have a humble beginning, like most of us. It is relatable. They are a sign of hope to us that one day we can be able to make it. One day we can lift our community up to the standard of other communities. We can have this joy spread across the board. Wacha tupeleke hii upendo kila mahali, We have Madam Alice Oeli, is a wonderful counsel from Kenya. She's our CEO. She has putting all her energy to make sure this Grand Granite and the investment arm is working very well. She's been giving us the legal advice together with our CMEs on the ground, where Mr. Fred is going to be one of them. And from the other abroad, we have Mr. George. They were going to work in conjunction with our investment and our SACCO as well, the management and the board, to make sure our members' wealth is taken care of. So when their time comes, they will say something and keep going. I do have our ambassador Erastus Mwenche. As it goes, panapo wazee habaribiki maneno. That is why we always have to get him, tag him along every other aspect of our dealings in the circle. He has been like a backbone to us. We are always reaching out to him when we need some advice on development issues, when we need our advice on how the circle is being run. He has always been of great help, and he doesn't lack the words of wisdom to give us. We do have Mr. Joel Arama. He's one of our members in the circle, and he is the one in charge of the communication to make sure that whatever I'm communicating, it is authentic, is what is a true reflection of the circle. And that makes it the whole panel of today. And of course, my name is Lillian Kurevitunuvia Colorado, with a little green vegetation on it to show you that God's wonders never cease. So thanks to you, thank you, Mr. Ontiri, for giving us this chance again. And I will turn this button to you before we proceed. Thanks, everyone, and welcome on board.
Thank you, Sister Lillian, for introducing our guests today. Once again, I want to apologize because we were supposed to begin an hour earlier, but today una chinga kichiko na gochinchia kwa nyoranga chinga kichia chinchiria we are still talking about the Grand Granite before I go to our guest tonight. Grand Granite almost Kemwencha Wakire. If you can unmute yourself, that will be okay.
I got into otro thing waited. The America wins in America.
I don't know. maybe your video is not pressing.
Okay, I'm not audible enough.
No,
Okay.
you are audible, but we can't see you when you are talking. We can
Oh
only see
no,
them.
I didn't put it on. Do you want to
Please,
see me?
please do. Our viewers are all over the world. They want to see who is this Mr. Erastus.
Okay, let me see. Maybe on Sunday.
Eh,
On Sunday, I'll talk about casual.
that's okay. That's okay. And when we are casual, we are not idle. We are working, building the nation.
Okay, okay, one the anniversary.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Uh,
no.
so before we bring in our guest, how far are we in the Grand and Diaspora Circle?
Sana, you want me to continue to speak?
Yes, sir.
Biamana as a moderator yaito na abamintu mwesi mora rasi program ya leo na bakwandira biamure.
Tuanjire, Biamana.
Biamana so kuigunga mwaletera abandi murabona kuri Botswana mwalete kuri Kenya ba Fred babontiri biamana sana. I remember kwa kwanite na inu itanganyo na batebeti nga moise kororo intuo magusi intuo na gutwara gento kende kirito igo kibwata bomo nase umuntu weribwike songo igo bagateba nga ngonye gutagete kugenda ave yenda n'abandi onye gutagete kugenda bwangu yenda ibwika na inde kine gitu cyandite mono okojora nga ntwe mono tugutaka nga gwita kirayibwika watha kugenda ibwika na inde tugukiara lakini akaturabemo nigo turagenda ari mono sana ikina kintu gyokoremia korora ng'esake ibona mwaechakire abantu baminto na inde kigusio gotenge bintu mbiang'ora nesagasaga bikwanga bona muna mwachagete akaguru abantu mwarenga bake bona yachakire gukina genderera enchire iyoka na inde barimo kwera moba begeno moba bamokoretera ababwatani bonse chiripoti chikiranite nandi chikuborokia naende senkurige ringe gasi muna wana mwachakire yachakire kobabuja mono naende nyasaye nero uragendera kubarana kuba ubong'aini n'ebintu murakora bikimote igo nomogoko manere korora ng'abono mwachakire ase investment mwachakire ase kira abantu bakagura accounts chiabo personally eki negento ekiya mono genderera boigo naende genderera kubwatia enchera eyo nerakonya omogusia igo nchera ki nabwate ekero nare kobaterine omogoko manere korora ng'a twachire amo na omogusia naende bono muna morochi tase torochi gochia motwe ekero tobe amo nari torabe ekero obwate egete mokibu nogerera isi lakini toise kubeka amo iga omonto ayo oratukune naende muna bono iga ase ebinto ebi togokorana nairobi ekero okorire abanto abande baito abatore kubabekaine abare gatia ng'a nabo bagatia barabwo igo bakorete ebinto biabo bibirite sana beting'ete norochi naye mbwana ekero bagokwana naye muna chikura echi chia 2022 abanto so bagokona komia gochi ase eng'encho bamaete ng'a mbare chinguru igo tiga naintwe tore muna tokobaamo toba omo obwo naende bono komwasomire mwarorire ebinto ebi korwa abwo igo more amaiso amobe reta obwogo obwo reta chisemi chiri mwanyorire mobe muna abayahudi batana kweba ase barwete mobe muna abanto bande twarorire abachina batumete ng'umbu bakaira nabo bakora ebinto sobo abanto kori Japan igo bagakora bo naintwe tobwati boigo nyasaye tigabe naintwe naende nomogoko sana koba nainwe ase omorogobe naende rero gose ase emambia ebu nyasaye twagokiri sana koba nainwe mbiamono sana
Mbiamono sana ase obosemi obuya. And actually tigan kwano munu wito nga igona ruro bono manguna to kwana na abala ibaitu asige sakwe kama geito bagenda eta mangana matindi na the way bago support ya bantu bamwe abo ntoko nyerengani, which is also a good thing. Na intungo na gusukatole, which is a good thing. Omusko Onyancha, good morning. Abu Mambi bono. I think you are still muted. Go kona kwani mute abantu baito moto tegerete online at times na batuko burukani kiera mbale barata bolinga nalimo abere igo moto ita na una tugerete Musko Onyancha bwairire bia abu irenga chabire chigose.
Botswana and Kenya, the difference in terms of our zoning authority 1 hour behind. Yeah, bunyo omule saa mbili, otole saa moja. Omule saa tatu, otole saa mbili. So it's 1 hour difference now.
Okay. Wana rende talimangana. Ngaki to our viewers and the listeners, ngaki uko bata bigoro esako at this moment.
I'm a new member of Nanacho Unity.
Naginda tote abenga inki kwanyo olile, and maybe before then manako ruoro tote abenga what's your experience inki kigyako ngusete goche sako inki kwaro chuno muntu ndo taraso anera abenga na inki na anyuliru.
Okay, asante soko ngali waga na bakwani abantu baito bonsi asimutegerete marwa ya bono kurwa bule America tulibo Africa na bali muri Kenya nibata ngana abirata tunda nale ko batebie kogera enchira to ko lebinto igereta bauti kuno bono asinche karna jito Botswana ona ajite intabuati bese ndeyons ngeta chira nkaliye besa entru utukuna mugaso lakini hekero konyora na usigoso wane ase sako there is some truth that ko kora mukubwatira namo na bokunyara kubikirania. So I was influenced and I've seen circles from other societies ikiwa I was really impressed kana nyora na into saiga ya itonyi mintuna bagusiba aro sitige ntugeito Richard na bande baka nikale chincho ini ekagera nkarana nanjiti kanchenso ango minto tonyi agache experience imbwate kuri Botswana ndi abantu bakwate kuri wasbake bwate liri twagache minto na into mogusiye eko baronekera abantu bachite konyora na ndi Botswana desert ibe baguri na mogusi ngikiya kurusite matoke imo woja bakaga desert kabatene nturu na chite kuri ya yorende mogusi na bari igono mure mwari na bakuri yebe sandonsi liri na matoke to kono sinyi ndi gusi. We have to work everywhere in the world tutari gutwara boba turutwara nchirinde yonse.
Mbuya Kigima. So who is Mr. Onyancha?
Mr. Onyancha yakuru ku George Onyancha kurwa Matutu scheme. That is where I was born, here on the village. Ono ndo mwenye biashara in Botswana. Nilikuja hapa about 21 years ago. No on Botswana. Particularly I'm specializing or I'm into hospitality industry and farming.
Wow, thank you so much. So, what is Mr. Onyancha bringing to the Sako? Oro chenchiranere. Sako itera abantu baso ire Sako bara fighting guru ase Mr. Onyancha.
Anene abantu baminto kidana ko tebia I we kapono mna njo nyanja ngibu atrane ekingo koranji we ko monyene nseko bwatrana nonde tukebe kamo dotoraga getwale ekenena akubwakira njo nyanja mbwate nji we ko monyene. I thought if we could come together, join hands together, our experience and our knowledge and our resources, if we pull them together, I think we can build even one of the largest hotel in the world, like what the Saudi Arabian they are doing in Saudi Arabia. We can do it because resources into water is only to come together as we just execute whatever that God ametubariki kama si mna into
Thank you so much. Maite really nero manyete kuiriria tara mangana na banjite na bama ite ku introduce biya kegima so nkoira nanda sari rinda introduce yo mogeni amwarigani and then we'll no mangana berata to kurwa sare onye goturige we are one on one with the Granite Diaspora Sacco at the same time no mushke Fredo Bach machoka kurujisa muchirichia Kenya chingongo chia Nairobi bono oyo mintalis ntara na se sister Lilian oyo mintalis wairire buya ngaire rokale gukwana kurwa
Nando muchio Nairobi na ukwandiri na abantu bonse bari batotegererete nsimbiere tubwate mangana
mbuya mono kegimo muhete na batokora atera niga twateba ngarero ugaturigire iki namba umubaro twengera ngakyo gotebya umuntu utamanyiti igoro yesako
nche ntanale gotebya abantu batamaetie ko use sako eneri na ekenege nteki yetu achaka uno mugusi twachairwa matuka mange abantu babwate bintu gwetaga ibinene lakini nduno mugusi etoraire abono no twabugite na intu tobaru n'abantu bande ne chikabira chinde batuchaira matuko na intu bona buna twabwateranire iga obona bubutachiri na indo bungaini tonyara gokonya abantu ba minto we give back to society buna togotebese gesongo na into abantu baito batware kende na into tonyara gokonya abantu bari baisi na barabu banyare konyora nyane chiloni bakonyora atobasomi ngigetakeire ekera tutakore tigo ndete yugo gotosomeria abantu baito ndobwata baraya banene egasba bakora nengia ntomaete ngagente ketwachakire nabo bagotobwate sekera batobwate siri nabo konyora na into twikirase ndomanyekana no mugusie namba yaya tomanyekana no mugusi no muntu mungaini no maite na into n'abantu abangaini boire lakini ngitu akorire naki twatwarire sakwe bono tokara na into tigatokore gento na into kerato abantu bagokwanwa twabwekwe namba gusesa bwiri abantu bagokwanwa n'abantu abangaini nandike nakibakorire no maite na baminto ibintu babwate nebinene tutaite kubakwana malieta lakini na into bone tutaite tuminyokani na barabu na into nari turaba abantu abangaini so igongo tebya abantu bari batara join esako bunegente ketokora negente kia mbalengerene n'ibintu by'abantu bako bakondi yani ekenegento twakorire utafiti ntobwate timere abantu abangaini totaraso imuntu ese sake yenko mokora abantu mbole tobwate to begete nsemo bagokora bintu tokoroka vetting so that into chikonyora abantu bakonya kwimina imeye sako tutaita abantu balia ekerokole tumuntu momena abana abantu abangaini we speak the same language. So that they can talk on the same language, we are able to move. Might take abantu bakumusanana. Na kiroche marketing koira time kucha go join we seki ombeke bakobe kwa very vetted. Abantu bamanya what is your demeanor. Monto kiole are you having the same value na abantu bande. So basically abantu mbawa ekene kiombekia olio bwate olio ta o etongo sabanga abantu bonsi tochamo tokolega sine totwale egente kene turanyare korosi chibesa na tokonya abantu baito buno omugusi twachairwa matuko torosi se ito gusi nererekane buna chinseme chinde chia boikoyo na sande no momaite bintu ngukwana so yongo tena morara boka tigatokolega singa kinere the time is now. It is now or never. We go to kolegasi nende tubwatirane na
Igo waje kwa mute bwana.
na unmute no nyuwete. Yeah, so basically kinara ko tena tigatokolegasi no mugusi na into tororekane.
Mbuya mono sana michinga kinigo chiato minyoki na inde ngona kwa sababu kwa veranga we were supposed to begin mapema tuanyorua ensia ya mashing injulinde chinga ki chia fall back igaiga Aigo, bueno, ense navire, na itu no tu anyori de ime. Kono, oyo mtoliri ani era igo, kono ko te banga mumbinya te yang ga tu bugiri bokano, ngaki go sego chakobe. Mtoliri ani ngamo tolo go se kwenda kwara.
Mboge to mogaso no moro no kurara to kunyara kurara.
Ngaki ango kara to to ge yang ngomo gani we itu kolia era uno manyite. Atara introduce.
That is when I will really explain who this person is. Yeah, ngweta alia datambwa toko watu okoboko to gweta ya karunga KC bivio kai wana ya kuru. I was very young nkamanya korra wanu mundo kurukunga Mr. Fred Machoka yani nkoga nando materi yogi nimbuate oka meriteri kondo yani yeso nansene yani nkoga bakata to kolinki gosi nkomatenga yani onkwarra ngodi na ranskayo gweta. He was young then, but he had got into into the airwaves. So at least we could hear that. Didn't tukanyantora for the TV, lakini ende radio na watu wale kwa watu wale tukanyore TV, lakini ende still mere tu wale kotekerera tu wetekera kwa na kero montekera kwa no kumyonga radio chirega We looked at him as the icon. I used to tell my father, I have to sit together with Fred. I started practicing Yeah, but more so is it's not about of even his talent. It's about him as an individual, as a person. What people see when they see him. It is just any house. But that structure is what makes it a difference. Him as a human being is just like any other, but he stands out. How he carries his activities, who is in the community, what he has done in the community. He hasn't done wonders, but the little he has done, that little is what has done the great things in our country. And you can ask anybody, yeah? They may not know the face, but they know the name. When they know the name, when they hear the name, what they hear is that hope. His story is all over the internet. People can read and can see. People can read and relate. People can see and feel that empathy. People can read and feel. They can be inclusive in any environment depending on how you carry yourself. Nothing is impossible with Fred Machoka. So that is why we sought him out to come and be with us. And he gladly joined us. And for him joining us is not joining us just like a member. He's one of our SMEs. That is the subject matter experts. We have been here in the United States where most of our members are. And when we are here, we know very little actually happening on the ground, other than what we see on the newspaper, what we hear on the TV, but the real substance, you have to get the right person to give you. Everybody has the information, but what kind of information is this? So Mr. Fred being on board, we have other expertise also joining us who are in Kenya. They have already joined us. Some have already not joined us, but they're at our exposure when we need advice. When we are doing our investment activities, they are the people who are going to give us a clear picture. With them, people are able to see credibility. With them, people are able to see that hope I was talking about. With them, people are able to vouch for their future because they know they have to be where something is really handled in the right way. They cannot be joining something they think is not valuable to the community. They're not here because they want to gain anything. They're here because they're still and always will be giving back to the community. That is why they're here. And Mr. Fred, I can't thank you enough for joining us. And that is the SACCO and joining us in this forum here. I know it is a little bit late, but this shows how your resilience is very important and people can emulate. So Omoralia Ontiria, if you give me time, trust me, I'll go for a whole day talking about Fred. Let me not eat all the meat. I will leave a little bit of the meat on the skeleton so you can be able to shake it out. Yeye mwenyewe. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Sister Lillian. And by the way, I don't thinking no kore. At the same time, when we talk about Fred Obachi Machoka, Freddy, that's a brand name. Leave alone into it. That's just a brand, and many people will wish. No, I check Ronko Metro. If I'm go Changorangora, Janimbaka Roga. I've been thinking maybe a talent, maybe then he got everything about on media. But when I listen to him, oh no. But I don't want to talk much about him. Almost Freddy Obachi Machoka. Wait, if you can unmute.
The language people know when no musike Machoka igagocha ingi tu pole pole anaingia kwa vishindo. Yaani moja mbili tunaenda kasi. That is the language we know. So baba karibu wanjani wako.
Ngate na kinako erali bagana kuminga ekwanda kwarara na kiama ngana.
Ya unaenda pole pole, you get the situation. Bona nimeona meno imeonekana ya mandegere bona, yeah, that is it. Unaenda mosmos.
Ena kuminga watu waswafo na wafo back lakini ndio jenga kwa woki na mangana mbira you eventually spring. Mbi amono mosiko baje kwa ile wia.
Egento gioka mweba machieti konte vingere die togo kwana na ronga yere. So there was introduction yegere manyenga bantu togo kwana na warabu abandi nimba mai.
Oh, thank you so much. Igo togo rariku Dallas Fort Worth area in Texas abagusi Global Radio. Ego se AGRFM. Kono ena bonto buate chio bisu sonko no tokiru kunanda mangana kurualia ase obviously Hema building ngai ta so wenga na bo nanda akulo so wish ntoje tonyo ali baga mono kigima tuligire limone kiera muski Obachi no mundo buate obosemi obonge ne talent na mangana mangi turaga ni kumanya buno mugusi video ya igo ya asira. Lakini turagenda one on one asumusko Obachi timatinga no tuigwete might go say etwa musiria. No, I think you are there. Musko Obachi video ya tama.
As he's joining him, I'll take this opportunity to give a shout out to our people, our new members that we gained just today. Of course, George is one of our distinguished members who joined us, and thank you, Mr. George. We are glad to have you on board. We do have Mr. Jackson Nyasimi. He's here in the United States. Umwana mugusiye nchome kabisa igare tayare okolega asinaitwe bono igo manyanga abantu bagocha ga gatari bagosori igo togocha togotirimboka bune stream bono hakuna mahali jia anaona maga tari gocha kubugatande If you guys want to know what Jackson Nyasimi is made of, join the circle and see what he has seen. Antobugate, kurunga Nixon Mwevi, umwana bugumorandi the PK. I wish he was around here. Natural commitment. Kei Gorakin is one of our members also. We are giving a shout out to him and telling him welcome on board. And of course, Mr. Fred is also a new member, and this is what it tells you. We are really out and rolling. As Mr. Fred is going to log back in again, this circle is a unique circle. And this circle, as any other circle, we are not on the try and error method. We want to get things right. That is why we have this system working. It is not It is not spaghetti on the wall. Kare kera watakira barenga spaghetti ne yaire go bako mina banye tuaterenya si barenga nkobwatere go se geko gwa nali bako manga yaire go seteraya. So that is actually very good. That is what we are doing here. Make sure we have the credibility on the line. Yeah, so that is why we are making this brand be standing out there. This product we have created is very unique. We want to make it to remain unique because we have so many circles here. Everybody knows that. But this circle of ours is not everywhere. It is just here. We have identified our demographic segmentation. Yani wane kerato ho chaganya koiririata. Why is she screaming? No, this is the joy. This is our happiness. This is how we want things. This is how we want things to happen. Ekero Montago is not only coming to the circle, is joining the family. This great bond to our abantu babwate the same values bagocha bataliko bakohast omontagocha voluntary lyote abanganche nimbwata mali abana bakinire lakini gongocha nkonye community kana bekebese yane ontiria nyora imukia enda chikobeke gesike iga alisobo gosenya makoro tamata to ngita just kidding. Yeah, that is at least igona wakonyire community inkogeti inkwanda boswana mate gali inkoli chimboli pentabwatiko yani ntabwatiko koibuncherende yonsi enchenoko wakakweka nana konyumo soli yani tumbukisa kapilipili kiasi. I know George will allow me. So inkoigo tantire gocha iga asomosike machokali na motenga ebutu rogaroge ebutu ende musike machoka. Now you are back. We are happy to see you back again. Thank you.
Thank you so much. Bueno, nganchirengende yamashe mo omusko bachi machoka ntara to maybe utere introduce ya weka. Why join esako ngeke gia ko musago chago cha se esako muske fredio bachi machoka. All muted. If you can unmute yourself, muske Fred.
Oh, you wanna kwanyole?
Yes, yes, sir.
Ndore analogi kiasi lakini rene na bomo ko tuaveraso do sal.
Ya more naenda welcome to that one. Asoga ngo kigima nge ko musko baje kia ko musoga join grandi in diaspora sako.
Omusbadio yogo kwana abune ronda angelia. Lakini rabu katale ko chako go persuading so as a grand granite go ratimo manyeti buya igo. I'm being honest. Umonto geranga sororo abantu mbabere. One, igomo manyete a bit, lakini from the international circles unankomara na ende unakuira to where he has arrived. Almost ke miancha no monton sigete no nyan tuana wikaransa formally gato tuana kogamba tuamanyana. But the real factor was Omongwano Gorogunga Dr. Bitangendemo Monto Manyede fairly well. Na ndembate a lot of respect for Gagogere Binta Kolere Akolire Bikogera na Moskane Binto okorra every time you sit with him abwate kerengera ringo mugusiera tare gokoraiga mugusi tare gokoraiga mugusi inkiata gokorere genteke. And when you sit with him, he has a lot of ideas yani tuare go convert into action. The sky would be the limit unabago kwana muske bitangendemo inchenere bweka olegoja gotenena chikura chobo gavana gusi ngende komakorere campaign ngachikoma everia komyo mutuparaka kamotiga. And so when they invoked his name Noare as a system, I couldn't hesitate one little bit go join, because I have a lot of faith in that gentleman and the ideas ya buate chira konye not only gusi even Kenya and beyond. So inerogera tinda matebi lakini nero gera karabate bangana nere obaete lietaliane. I said I will join.
Asante sana.
My motivation.
Thank you so much. Most of the time go about the isinya farm bono. Yes. Don't you go briefly what you do as a isinya farm?
Isinya ne farm ere county ya Kajiado. Igona chitoro by default yana sera tuwe karana sinya tugo kana renti buna korenga ne landlady ya na tagete way back in 1993 na menyete alianga State House. My rent was 15,000. Landlady ga cheka tebanga from next month ne rent ya chire 25,000 na ndo takirwa kana 3 months in advance. Tukomana nera tukamachikoruana ekarona ekarantebi ekarona achete como evering atigo mwana ono manena ara akora matemo standard ye dirende manya koruoro rega kora tingo afford rent yeyo agantebi nga first abandona bange waro bara afford rent yeyo aye soka secondly mwana yogontebi mwana itario yo ito mwana inoyo nkanyoranga antebiri bobe nkagachuweke gusi ngadeba tinko enda naende kokomboa enyumba asenga abantu bane bakorara ngacha kitenge
ya bastaki akenande
Safaricom ne wata ba kon wake go na roche that message I think na roche that message which is
manchani twaringe gusaba negeseri intwa seitwe bekere maso
ona hakera to ngelete amasemo ngwira na tore no moske Fred ekera kona koira na watera ngori kwaringe ga by the way tu singani nyenyore screen yeyo
abaga kabale batoncho bete basanga nonya noro kore bosibanye gechenge baya boncho bete basange ndagera ase chikanisa chikambi twarageramo totali komanya ndagera ne yango intwa no chwata lyoka no twanga lyoka obwale no chwata lyoka ne batwaliganira no twanga lyoka.
Okay. Tumaitigo somos que Fred naira na.
Raira na bado.
Okay.
Wano wanchani mbolibwa kale toirane tosaba negieseri ekebusi ogo chabu ntiri na tebanga mongena mbekiranga matumba ali atigara ntiri tatebanga omogongo no yibwa bagaka abana bae omutwe nebirenge
na watu kwenda kotebari yani ugota getugukurira bagaka omogongo no kyo
ona toyane kabisa toyane kabisa elinde tonyore ekwerende elia obwanchani boli bwa kale kabisa Mr. Rama can pick up as we wait for. You can say some few words as we wait for Musikeira and back.
Ono Mr. Rama gako na gocha tigango turanyoro gotero kwa sinini tegungana kia mangana genderete ekero to kuiraga break ga sinini na the same time we go gende to gotegra ba kusi Global Radio ekomukyo mugusi singma AGR FM na to kore gunsa bichada sport wa bo igotore na grana diaspora sako oyo mto Fredio Batch machuka gatia bageni bande ashiri to olia lero ma sheyemo
Esimaeli ya mutonigo yare ya kede nende pia watekende ya bisete Taki obanchani boli wakare ngaigo se wagenda obwanchani bori bwakare wasireke demoyo Bamateri borio Togo komoria Echebuna yobate Yeri borio Ekura tebe ngano moja tomone na yotaro jotara mojo yomoroche Ebori na inde waire neye Bamateri borio Togo komoria Echebuna yobate Yeri borio Ekura tebe ngano moja tomone na yotaro jotara mojo yomoroche Ebori na inde waire neye Wanchani bori bwakare Wanchani bori bwakare Wanchani twaringe gusaba negeseri Itwase itwe Mekere masomberera Naenda toteba mekere maigatera Wanchani tware gusaba na nonya no morero Tosaba na nonya neke biriti Barenge kwa genchobo
Ya, asante sana mwanjo kutekelea na huyo turige timu ya Bagusi Global Radio chini kwa mwana mwambe mwasu samaroga ba kwa tera kora sebe ono wanjani na huyo nga sisi kuliera rogo turena grand diaspora sako na at the same time no muske Fredo Bachi machoka gati ya bagini ritu kuliera ro kuira na tore se ensemo ya International House of Hope ni tonyora ya mtu alfaxa nyabutu atore tromboro radio wa marandio shemo abu chinsa kianda cheri tuko oliarero na boigo amangana na leto taliko jitwa kwanera amangana na leto taliko takatwa kwanera kigima mangana trukunga mangana makwili kero kinde lakini manyitenga at one point kero kino mundu no chuko kaninga ninjentegerere mangana rega ngoko irande yemase ga Bedford Memorial chinsa ikomine mone nusu chama roba Ekirongo kwana ya masimono moshke Johnny Nganga oyo kabere pilot na baden kwa ndiara ndege lakini ngakurua si pilot akamwenga bono nchigi tunaya mwile ngotwara funeral home mangana makonkigma tomo chako mana inche chinse komene mone nusu jitu kulia lero asomoro belio bene kingma chinse komene nusu CDT yani Marekani ya kati ekirongo kolete rumoro belio yo yamashemo omoshke Johnny Nganga from pilot to funeral home ona sensema ya Bedford, Texas. Bueno, tikangira naye masema somoro litobate igonko irana baki asomto o Fredo Bachi machoka twakone mangana manene kigima igoro ya isinya farm. Wow. Musko wachete banga. Rentigo ya kongete kingima akabo mugusi kamili lakini mugusi ago tebanga kero kende engareka ya gerete bokaya onorende na kwale kona kwegerera guchi ense make omwari ndo chingo bogachikujira isinya musko wachi dima itinga na konyora baki hello. Okay. Bueno, gitongenderete gako na kuirana musko aramango kwa narenge umuski joere arama na inde wire bia okay, just a minute. Okay, na kwiguru bia bano
na kioga ndabwe studio
mbuya ona tungende teiga noro chuna bageni baito magente gutu join na boigo kwa nyolirenga ngonyo atore expert ya bange gocha se grand granite timaitinga goikiraiga birenge biyonga kibire ekiara by the way nimbata batagereria bange sana kuru chinsemo chinse unaona kerongoligereria bantu mbadigireti no nkuru as Botswana na rora bande kuru chinsemo cha South Africa bale ensemo ya Gulf mbia mono na ino asugo to join mbagenda that na bande mbagani go join so far nsige to kyuro chogende to konyora about the grand diaspora sako.
Again, take a tanganigo ona keombe kenegia sana. In one fact, okonyora a lot of circles in the country. Majority of them fail. Ekiagera okonyora na bali abatenezwe keombe. Na bago amwana kayaba to bago invest. Koze kaibago bekachipesa chiabo. kwa makonyorona isibako invest, they don't do a thorough research, chiva za members ya magusira, and then ikiombegi sarika. The major difference ne ikiombegi jaito, nkedina every decision we make is by members. Na boto korosie group ya kora investigation na kigoro chetupe ta bantu na babo Fred, Professor Ndemo na abande kwa bobo na bwe ground na Kimuroche. A project ta ito chaka na Kimuroche na kitora agende to ebe successful. Kwa makorente report is a committee ya idea ya agende board ya idea ya makoiwe se members. At the end of the day members na ba ko vote ba na egende ke muata banekia to gende mutu. So at the end of the day, every decision that is made made by the members. Board member go say morai wenzi weke ombeke tayora tebe rebweka na daerotika to ende go jia. Yeah, everything goes back to the members. Ba decide naga aigambuya to gende go chumutu. And then at the end of the day, any project that are involved in aero, it is undo puate gendo corona continuous assessment. Na vera ikase ke tota na odwaro to genda igara kini njera to kriojia tikato njera to ende kuchia lakini at the end of the day you report back to the members wako ta na abumbia kendera mutu ko se karate nena tikato rigiri gende ubia to na kikere otorage na mutu at the end of the day we make sure na chibe so monto ke agero monto gaiga ekebago waka chibe sa na chinkongu iga so ko ekebesa you need to be faithful na at the end of the day your money is safe and the investment is clear, whatever all the risk. Your returns will be in 2 years, 3 years, 5 years, 10 years. In a year's time, on your returns. One of the unique aspects, at the end of the day, members decide what is to be done. Una interna joined. I've been here now for over 6 months as a member, and I've seen that all through. All the people who are panelists in a program here, none of them, their board member, chairman, board tomorrow, say vice chairman, say treasurer, tomorrow, a program. The members who know and understand. They are the ones who are, it's member driven. So at the end of the day, tika members work about what have I seen? What is the benefit? What are the challenges? Come and join us. Let's work together. Let's at the end of the day develop ourselves personally. Let us develop our community. On statistics. Diaspora remittance. Over 40 billion a year, I think is actually more than that, almost 300. Majority of that money, majority. We are the highest remittance group in the Kenyan community. We need to translate it to make an impact in our community. Project Tonyorana to aba saibara to abagere ke bagoba correct and ke go banyo rebesa yao what you are taking care of your family. At the end of the day, liba oko and koi mukias gari deni duka no whatever sa wakana or duka nere onyora jibesa or increase stock ya we continue circulating the money within the community, and that translates to development. At the end of the day, you reduce crime. You make people develop, you become a stronger community, and everybody all around benefit. And that is the goal for this circle, not only for our members, but also for the community. We need to develop our community, and the best way we can develop is to invest in that community and lift up each other.
Biamono, Kima Samangana. By the way, again, to work one in the Indian Avantumbara, Ekarogo some organizations, Nonya, Chita Bantuana Tokoran, Ekaroko Yoranga, Nogan Tico colleague into it, Quanyoranga, Kiromundo Garikaman, Kiromundo Gataro, Wayomondo, Romonia Kirogo, as Samangana was saying, Totenga marketing, I got again, take a colleague, Kinyo and Dogekora. But what I like in getting a Kiromonto area of specialization, ya ene baga na na kiesa kebere to so that kiro monta kine ase ensemi ya agende to kore mirimo na especially kero iriri baga correct your expertise ya se mirimo gete igere ngende kya kegima, and that's what I think we will take this sako fa oyo minto Erastus ngaki kwale gutuma mangana ibunu minta kwanire Erastus mwencha. If you can unmute yourself, Mr. Erastus. Igo karanga muski Erastus simia ete karanga simia akani remeremo.
Kenya na be problem ye karawake. Oh, there you go.
Kuru Kenya, we need ono rende bono nalitu achire biyo mtoliria ni kiagere sako mai
yamano ninkuiwete ne ole njara sinyake lakini bono yachakire
kirale goteba ngarinde bono na kiesa ko yachire kiagere obokongo bono bwa Safaricom no ne monopoly ye company gete no ne stima ile gero gine na besa kumara arengera ringa mutale gotoba no no ne stima go sama ngana diga erinde mosori bokongo yo mito mwenchanga kikwale goteba
ikine duwa tebere kenene ngencho aye. One of the things kia letro bokongo sikenya tero konyora investment chinyinge kuna bone sema ya IT roji muna bona bantu esokora muna bo India ye konyora investment chinyinga singencho panya direko peka good infrastructure ingia na infrastructure gente kama muna bona electricity na internet ya stable and also are quite when the good reasonable when the human resource. So those are some of the challenges, and as a country we must keep working at them. Biamana samana makwandira maya ayo minto Freddy ga ngento kirikama serikali na teve story aye is quite an amazing story mna kitu which isinya and now has become a landmark. Moiche ko chaba mumanyete ni wa Kenya uche ga Kenya ulire uchima kuru Rongai Kiserian Wachisinya Moino paka Kajiado abantu betu na bantu baro. In fact no gatia toisa ko beka na mo biyego otogotwara muchumbe even a bit take moto when the colleague na ndi bintu mbira yo minta kwana Fred Viriate wanga. There's so much that can be done as I mean number of projects in the best known na usi engenjo bokusio mo to bwa to bia imu atebire na wono remittances, and I can attest to that asoko benki na kumanyanga chibes chikoro ngumbu aba Kenya kusi gemanyire. That's why the president here to a central bank branch in Kisii asinginjo musi aromoko nanda kwa chingu tubwatira ni ayubono tuja kwibolinga ngakitogo kora kuchimotwe kusigalia tuja korosia ebintu birakonya abantu baitu bayimukigoro muna tu abere kurusi kumenya tukunate abangatunga abayahudi tusiarete walingimo lakini abayahudi na sasa akale gakonmeni mayahudi na into bayigo, and I think we can do it. Remittances is okay kwa kiwe and I think even though tingo chaka wano ko be enumerate bono many of us to the main invitation yetu tayo and bacho ini sake and make it very very transparent, very democratic. Mnayo midakwa na warama tebanga. It is very important as well to make sure that people led, not leaders led. That will empower someone to kumanyanga. They have their voice, and you can put your money where your mouth is. Iga ina mangana maronge, and I think those who are regular discipline ya watawanenga. Every weekend in some na one chiga, let's touch base. Quando vai também me technology information is very so easy. Now to reach and every week, just for half an hour. Quando vai também simbi amore, era mangana kiara mangandra maya, and touch base. Pass for 30 minutes for calls. You see, the internet is now going to be a revolution. That's what is going to happen is information technology. Obu mo buno bugo chaka mna wana zisote wani bushia linga chaka korosya ama tokale dry bananas ayale kwerende dehydrated bananas bono tukutuma tumenyedenga ayokale Colorado yoko ya receive ojako ko ya distribute America yokale Botswana ko ya nyora chako beka supermarket. You become an agent. So in other words, we can open our, and what is good that that can come to see. That way, that's your need. A time must come to Puivanga, serikali dhira jago tokonya wantu tuimukini. Intu tuka turimu. No kuimuki no wasemani. No wasemani, no wachama iga, tuigore na maiso, otenene on somebody's shoulder, you can see far. Egare tokole bintu bira tokonya, twins as an individual, na sumokusi. Again, I promise you, as a token of appreciation, I will also be very much in the fold. In fact, when the wedding, you can send me forms. I'll join in Jacono Kurunkanke as a sign of indicating that is voting with my mouth. Don't you, Fred? You ready? I think we should get that story I called it. And Fred, I was actually in senior theater yesterday. Now I went through and I spent some 3 days here just something at what. So okay. I can one ngoja gojandega una kwa rangiria waka baliko chali. Story nengenderete kukwamanyira nje kwa na codes. Story mna waka baliko mbere nali. And that story nengendere. Ndiye mana sana baminto. I think Fred kaira ndi tigara kwana.
Wacha akagorara bwana tokoira chibasaro ele ruati ndara umanya gonde bina kwarenge kajiado abuna toko chakera abuna bagusi.
Exactly. And I agree. I accept the kenning you.
Bono.
Abantu bwana utatenga no bwata sabantu bakorara ngo twachire.
Kero kwale koboli na kwale kotebiwa.
Okay, ono miyamo no tigatwira na so musko bachi bono irinde atwarese kigima ekiagera na inche rande tinjenge tense monte venga na manyite musko bachi na twira na sole
miyamo na sana eke ombege eke ntokego chakonara koru asende no maene na borora Gagora dinale tiko koligereria nsemo bagatebanga abaguzie batega chiombere chenya kamogia nchigane timonto gokumbaliso Bono tiganale gotebanga egarona jete rende ngochikote bigunga buli mubwato kirenganyora ngatimbwatesa. Lakini nkaba fortunate enough, my father-in-law no arenge a board member as a Agricultural Finance Corporation Bank and koma bowling omukaka ngakyo ngonyo ndengo application ya isegocha na fotoko nyeti lakini ko ikora alia at least 20% of the figure ba kobolia egere o akane torro yo seriousness egere tomanya ko loan ngatabatabalienda zina tabatabete koruanga ngaraisi at least actually it was around 18% nkaenda se Agricultural Finance Corporation nkabade birene nintagete loan na baba ngetetie nkanyore loan ya goro bolo mugo garonko bogora 93 was 47,000 shillings 500 an acre. So it may look fairly cheap by today's standards, but I remember by the year 2001, 2002, konyora na akanire from 1.6 million shillings na reseti, konyora na akanire about 3.5 million. Lakini Agricultural Finance Corporation was still demanding another 4 million. Igo yaninga 1.6 million konyora ya iriro ya generate interest chinyinge paka ya ikire a total of 7.5 million shillings chibesa nana takire wakana Agricultural Finance Corporation. I remember I had a big problem ngachaka koni obole monkoni almost for free, because by that year I remember I was selling land at 100,000 shillings an acre. Agricultural Finance Corporation konyora batakire ko auction points kanyoranga. I will just get rid of what I can again salvage, even if it's 1 acre chibesa konyona agane 3.5 million shillings in chigenda. And that's what I did. I sold 30 acres for 3 million. Fortunately, abandona onerati aba usiva minto bangetana ine mugagana ro gurumageto yondege konge yondege tange yonde nyakundi bons bakangetana na igona ubangole tio bolimo bakankonyerania ngatigara na 20 acres. Karorende na na chikoranga na adigere na 20 acres na abuti menye tina ne meteo kana asimekire ngateba nkoni bono 5 acres egere inyaga chenyomba nali naona 3 years later in 2006 nkaoni 5 acres chirajo chikanga chibaza chiza inege gora was selling at market price na ndirende nalenge under pressure. Nkanyoranga eke dinare koni in 203, I mean 202 for 202 paka, actually 203 400,000 an acre. I ended up selling at 1.6 million an acre. 5 acres chikanga 8 million, whereas 30 acres 3 years earlier had given me only 3 million. Nkanganya rende kunakora kwa gaje nyombe by 2010 nkanganya goja Isinya. Karona nganya goja Isinya nalito ikaranze dene family abana rende bana mbale in hospitality to wanchira nanga tigato chake ranch a resort nero tuachage de 2006 of Valentine nalito igolete na bondo chenganto gendrete binya sai nato konyete. So what I wanted to say in brief, nkeringa abagusi nege tinki nyeke ngaini ntuna bantu tubuenere te goetani no nyana banta abugo beke tunwa ege kogere population ya itonenke ege ntugiyo ko tutana go kora, in my opinion no go chama buna tuachire bono in order to make impact. Otherwise you ligereri nchena abeire privileged gotara all over the world na achire America here, you know, Korumate, Houston, Pakarogoro, Minneapolis, Minnesota, na achire paka New York moino, na achire Las Vegas, Nevada garia, abagusie baichire kerase. Paka Florida maade na achire ali Miami, kanyoranga abagusi mbaro. So what I'm trying to say is abantu baito everybody all over the place, and they are damn daring. Bantu mbai babuate the vision and courage yoko goraki yoko genda anywhere, even with blind faith unomugusi again to tabugadi negen to galiye gorogunga ogo chamo tumanyenga 100% ya 1 million shillings is 1 million, lakini 10% ye billion na bere chibesa chinyinga sana na bere 100 million egere tumanyenga gi you can have 10% of the total figure na endeve a bigger amount of money than 100% yegen tukiria yo bwata ko tenge kine kyana nchipweka yani ukuna kweranga naye kwiko kibwate igabantu bakuoboe. And that is where we are as a people, and I think we better get out of it. Tumanyenga go koveka egetari na boturabe abantu bari stronger and tutware an investment here beyond money ebwate abantu kubago chanonya na simore biri batatu bane batano abo bakorengera linga kuno monto yo mbantu kiakamanyete boboa lakini akaromole 100 akatanga ke abantu abuna abange karabatiga. And that is what has made nonyana abantu bagorunga Chinese ba chae tukale boirwe because of numbers. So numbers in Chile again tukere very important. That's my opinion. In Kolengina according summary, who I am and what I think. Amangana field broadcasting erotingo kwana because it can take a few weeks.
Mbiyamono king me gamanto bago je sinya fam iko bako nyoro wate bo oboraro na endeki
at Fred's Ranch ntobwate oboraro yani na bomoko nyora se moko ba accommodated onyamura abange moisoko to tevi mapema. We will do a camp na togo pitch tents and to light a bonfire to tenge bunakare and we will have fun. And to a big field gokora events that is where we pitch camps occasionally. The camps na batogo accommodate up to about 2,000 people. Garana abgate nyangi yane na go celebrate 40 years of my marriage. That was in 2019. I hosted about 1,500 people and invite Cholet. That was within just the area, the events. You going to that capacity. Secondly, so it is organically grown. Nendagira umanyetenga go konyelia nendagira etasmekiri along the sewage line. You will feel free. Now hospitality, you can check on social media. We get rave reviews, not because you want to Janava Iri, but because I think they get good hospitality and they get treated like kings.
Mbiyamono anduna waenda tukuli guruchinsa mochionsi chinse abagusigla barino mbiyamono kima yomto Fred Bachu montunaro kuboli ganga mubwate ase for instance yara chana abana mubwate ase abana baguchiesa I think nabo kumwira ni direct
bano ntobwate playground reasonable. It can be better. And we also have animators. So they take them around into horse riding. So for those who like to do horse riding, yes.
Ndoche galeri so tiengima. Mbiyamono. So oyo tagete gokora booking go so kumanya mange mubwate website.
Yes, you can go to our website on our website Fred's Ranch Isinya na boko nyore namba ya itora ake directly umonta kwana naye immediately or still na boko kora booking online. But number is picked pretty quickly, and you will see what else we got to offer.
Mbiyamono actually na fredsranch.co.ke. Mbiyamono higo mwancho motekeno yorigeti ase kumanya mangi guru ya Isinya Farm yenda ase fredsranch.co.ke ewe manya mange tini nganji tiko kwa nabora kini lemi singa mkwani interested patia sama ngana bunaya toje ngango kore show booking ya nengo ya korande kiara December na bila chichore sana nego yo mintu sene rasta shote banga kuira na lego chioro ono we gato kore booking mapema.
Thank you.
Another area kero kini daracha another area kero waso hiso kuna nyore ramangana maya kigima ndoche na etani giteka isano na ibira bara ina omukonya bera keki garantu anyorwa taracha so minto nkwera nanda so minto nda makwane ngana limo professor lakini rende karona igura mangana iranchi mtori yani mwegwete ngabono esa konto bwate resources kisaine and we need such advice on to bwata ndo very veterani ensemeyo ere dini manyete to gochona mangana mange bura wateba kora kini abantu mbale bara konyora seroga batamanyitinga kurumetro FM njarengo just tingo ko limit in one sentence lakini rende ga kia so wingi was broadcasting your dream career. Let's go back.
Broadcasting njarenge my dream career nche no montora nyolire emeremo by several accidents. The first accident yenali gwetu sigari nkabera asobo sigari for 4 years ngasavu in the Northern Frontier District into Arwane then abantu bale guru shift at that time na lenga se signals department na ndenga janka nga shift go GSU briefly lakini rende my deployment here alenge in the Northern Frontier District as an average for a considerable period of time. After that ekero nga participate in a radio competition in Kabua radio se asanyo egarona enda kuye radio nalia monto tenenete a producer ye program yante dinga you got a nice voice bana can you be interested kora mangana yo botangazaji ngamata vinchino musigari ngakingo kore vintebi awante vinga na batogo record ya a small thing yana kogenda on air kamubolingo akana mulenga hi ndegende kamuwa akana kamata ikomo akana that sounds interesting. I can do that. So for a whole year ngakora radio broadcasting but just a 5-minute segment in Musigari in the Northern Frontier. After a while Karosanga Devangan Kunku Kanere, I can actually give Musigario want to Baguna go every day Rogari next shift. Karisai in Kamanyakoru nga Charende Kunakokora Egasi part-time. In 1978, Inga joined the BBC monitoring service in Kakora for 1 year. After that, in Kagendralende na mangana broadcasting na rekokorege pindi ya Sanyo Ju Sanyo Tops as a Voice of Kenya. Nga joined a company fully, and I continued doing so many other commercial radio shows, including Everready Paka Power, Ngakoro, Gepindi Kende, Gorokwa Ugua Pollen and Lucozade for 21 years. He had sponsored in a Glasgow Smith Klein, Ngakore Vipindi Vinge Sana. I've done like about 22 sponsored radio shows through Voice of Kenya and later KBC. Then in 2000, before that, while still working with that advertising company, Peter Colmo Limited, and later Kagoruane, another worldwide advertising company, Macan Erickson, Ngakororo. Then in 1988, I decided to open my own advertising and PR firm, FM 35 Promotions. FM meaning Fred Machoka, 35 was at 35 years. So I started that show, and I started the company, which I was running alongside my other, radio shows. And in 2002, nkanyoranga abantu mbali bantakete bagorokunga citizen. Bagon deving anjo okolega singabatevi. No, I'm quite okay. And asende ngokora my PR and advertising work. Lakini baka insist to sign a contract. Ntaka geritenga ngosukayaring. That is when I started Roga Roga, which will be now I think 20 years next year. It is a Rumba musical show that is featured on Radio Citizen every Saturday and Sunday, starting from 10 a.m. up to 1 p.m. Kenyan time. And then they also gave me a TV show of the same name, Yekocha, on air on Citizen TV Kenya on Saturdays from 2 p.m. So my hands are full on weekends. That is why another Vialili and Inganko again the nearly to my radio business. I just edited. It is I can speak for a long time. I got Sanyo Tops ran for over 20 years. Ugo Paul and Alukozed another 20 years, not consecutively, but concurrently. And then there were many other radio shows. The Kodak Look. The Daktaria Wajibu in Western Union Post Bank na abroad. I used to call people who are living abroad and ask them how they are doing and give them a chance to send greetings to their loved ones. So I started connecting with people abroad, Kitambo. I also did ART mambo yote asina alikuwa encourage abantu kugura ebintu on a higher purchase. That time I was assisted to get that sponsorship by Omoga Kondo Siriro Legoro Tom Sagwe Koro Bogirango Nero managing director ya ART. That was one time Omogusiang Konyate Olenge in a position. That is why again Tokuna Kosavanga Monto Mintonere over in the position that you are going to. Wow. Yes.
Wow. Mangano mete radio na mange na especially amanta manga mete Mr. Fred Obach Machoka igo ba manyete through amangane radio onye chinga kinji atoka no injira manari go choko gani ko manyamo enjira trend chira matukayo rocha bantu ba onchuri chi microphone chi abere very cheap, internet ya very cheap, on the ones you want the timeline na bago chake ready anywhere anyhow. So ebintu nebinge twali ko chokwanela nandi ko chokwanale nginga nkora igundi ko kwane kilingara ngai ko sikiarwit lakini enda singinje chingaki maybe we asking litanga nimbijo manaso kwera chingaki chiao wancherana ntumaitenga chingaki chi you are very busy lakini koira sometime croise you are busy schedule waba mona intumbi yamono kigima. If there is one thing kwale ko gania gotevie sako ngirekie como Obach Machoka
again donale gotevie sako nkeringa abantu baminto nchena talire na meeting in the diaspora na abantu abaronge. They have always wanted to invest at home. Emechando abantu babale diaspora, their aspirations nchiriko rekananga ngo connect chire na abantu barenka. Abantu be diaspora karokende bago tumachibeza kwanyoranga bangaini runa abantu barenka umuntu otebungu akachirwale nyumba tiyo umuntu otomachibeza egari yago ruye matatu na inde gari yagenda for 6 months na inde kwa onyoranga ekereko enda for repairs na inde nero kuruchibeza pakobolinga egari inde nako tumerete nya onye ya ikira seko genda for service useko ba repaired inchi chibese chikonye korosia na chiachete. You know, so they have been shortchanged for a long time about in the diaspora. From what they tell me individually, they have always held the short end of the stick. And I think, again, take, you know, again, Reboronge, Abantu the diaspora will be the first people to benefit because they have always wanted to invest. And if the linkages, we will pegi abantu buna ndemo na no mugago yo mwencha bakoleki bakole their research endonge egera abantu bamintonye bako invest in something getali na indike kucha kobalete robo konwa abantu babeke their investment in a white elephant. So research ne bona takokorwa endonge egera abantu bako invest returns once abantu baminto bachakire koranga ekintu nekirunge ngomanyete before mugusita atakete kwasoka kurugusi abantu umwana ariko gende sukuru watonga genda ya lakini yokoreki oirane nonya muntu kugura buri mu isiko zare ko buri say no kwaro chenga tigonganye yani they were being ostracized for doing the right thing. But the moment they discover you can actually go to the diaspora and make a living, I can tell you that is they immediately decided to do that and did that positively. Abantu baminto kerokende iko baringe nonyero watchman yo bari ko tware ko cyayanga nabaruya bari gokora agusimba ari gokora ibintu byo gukomata ingo gasinira yo bosigari orende duka buringa ndeduka muntu na itetenka banga. But these days kuruba change paradigm rero naboko nyora bazi abagusina bange bakolenda chiduka abantu bakolenda chinyomba because there is no alternative, and that is a good thing in my opinion. Rather than go ikaranzo na kote banganje tingo kora gasiye negasi ndero rura nyare kokora and improve yourself later. Change of mind, change of attitude abiraga konye to climb the ladder to the level targeted. So abantu baminto bagusina hanta bangayini sana nkinimba sikete naindi n'abantu bari aggressive bari focused ones umuntu achagira okora emirimo nonyene mbali and nonyene okogenda buhindi omanyeta bagusina obachagite kogenda buhindi as an alternative kogenda America naindi abantu bagaanza kotosekerera lakini ekaro mugagolinya chata ebetenga nonyene chidigiri cha buhindi tigaba gusiba gareki tigaba abantu balikwe abagusiba gachakonyolero emirimo roba bakaenda bange procurement yabande wapi inche engoteva ngatika to chamo. That is all I can tell people. Lakini ekaro togo chamo bali bago chikoba in charge baba bantu of integrity batali abantu greedy, we will go far. That is all I can say.
Wow. Thank you. Thank you so much. Dojenga litukeli yake ndoje to yakoro ndojenga yake ofosemi wora no wonge kegima ndago tebanga nyumba yawe yalire wenda bwake biche nyumba yabande ogatenga mbora bono ari ntozi tokobeka tumango ekwamana kanyo angamu abande gakire bicha karo kende kwata y'umuntu ngagachiro kwagacha bwoyo kwagacha na bwo ono kwagacha michi amangana na amange so obono bosemi uya kingma asekinga kune na ligerelia efiche geto muswati unde gagacha gabo kitengera chinyomba boli aganda kagacha musyo chinyomba buna agaiga chi house boli ngarora very good
ene bayana muswati yoseito Buagaja nyomba is just that we don't like invading people's privacy unless you want to kwanera manyene muswadi zeito agaje nyomba ga nkagenda ngatebanga aminto enyombe yete bwana rati nonya no urware gocha iganye igore beautiful yeah igaba abantolema lakini n'abantu bali bako turaba pe abantu barunge will go places. Yabantu bamintuna abantu bare.
Wow. Mbiyamano ke mumosko wacho bosemi obiya ke mitoriri antima tinga na nyora professor atumenga nali moiga tutara kuro moske professor ndem na munyora buni so Ontogendete konyoro boshemi homwancho mutegereri this is courtesy of Grand Granite Diaspora Sacco na website ye na nyebekire gaiga grandgranitediasporasacco.com ninye pine tiga wasi bali moko watch YouTube na asensemo ya Facebook bali na ende toko watch semo ya Facebook link yo neroro igo togo tuara getamero kindi yonsho gotebanga kero kindi ngana nyiruchi na the same time ngomanyenge esake tuligo swara isigo go swa with rifaro go igatura manyanga to baro maite to goja pembeni nense ya kongire kwana wake sabu iga hantuligo na wako bo sabu boke igo tuchite mutu ko gotukuma ya bono ogocho gonyoranga kwa beiro mali wacherewa Damaris Kerubo kuruchisa pochia Switzerland na some message yao Violet Kerumbi monokema Haroni Obure agotebanga ende kunisa mochia Nairobi tuned live kwa mbozi following bya mono kigima maboli bali mu kubolia maboli ndikira abo mono ntindi gocho gusoma comment chinyinge lakini onye ko gwate liboli yango gabo elinde tunyale ko batogo kwa semia amangana tuanyolire na mangana manene go join yesako negintekia mtu asoete sako gete galia matuko makaetire nere ya lenge twacha gete galia akaonde kitale moski hao moski tonde bagachake bintu byabo desi tukobeke chibeso chitu kweli amali yo tugacha tokatengo babesa buri mwabege tena wale ngobuya lakini bona wanji abantu bagasoa masakume tukaichibesa kweli mozugeli yani ngakyuro jito akara marieta manena ko kwanuga obwa buno umbuto ke nainde yani ngewatch
naonde ga koigwete bya kabisa. That is why you want to leverage the people who matter in the community. If I get Mr. Erastus here, I'm getting here Mr. Fred, Dr. Ndemono Alega. What else do I need for a reference? That is good enough. Hao ndio wanaitwa ngao yetu. Our CMEs, they are keeping us on toes. They are not going to let us go astray. We do have the constitution that is governing us. We have a culture of transparency that we have created in our circle. We have Madam Alice Oeri, who is the CEO. She's very tough in court. So you can imagine if I go astray, she's not going to be smiling at me. She's one of our counsels who is guiding us on the legal issues, and she is our CEO. You can imagine omontole Kenya akobeke gasi ya yensemo egasi eri kabisa akobeke kwendelie ndabukuru mutune gotieri atenendita otenga your highness, this is what happened. She's here and she's doing a volunteer job. Mr. Freddy Garo sete okware kurumambi wono paka jinse ya chirolete, but he has spared time to be here. Dr. Ndemo, you call him at a split of second, he's going to answer you the fastest minute available. Erastus Muyenche is right here. He's always there when we call him at the shortest time available. And trust me, he will guide you across the board. And what I can tell you in terms of transparency, let's go back again. It doesn't matter how the circle is well built. PhD and whatnot. We have great engineers in there like Dr. Onyancha. We have Mr. Joel Arama here. We have this other entrepreneur here, Jojo Yosoirega, and the many other that I cannot be able to mention here. Those are the people who always have to develop the second plan in case plan B is not working well. Those are the people who understand what the risk involvement when it comes to investment. In terms of the culture of transparency that we have created, our members are able to send their money direct to Kenya, and they send the money direct to the bank. The only thing our treasury unit does is to deal with the data. The data is dealing with money, but they don't touch that money. They deal with paperwork. Members are able to go behind the scene or actually on their member portal. Transaction tutabe Mr. Freddy gake chigule ro obeka chiribu 200 mali tutage timambia igora lya nyole nge chikoreka neligweya munga kyago cha kuamini uikachi cha kuolinga yaya untiri igando jenga something is not right ndango to isaranze isitiki because they have to upload their own receipt. We are working as a team. Nobody is going to do this alone. Babekeli isitiria yegalia. Ekara libekire alafu lende Dr. Ongakine team ya treasury. Ekara baligire kuruwe wengi abatabiri ngati code na chechi tobwate balile tenga ya Mr. Fred code kwa begeta ne ye wengi ntibekaine na bono ma your account has been verified. Therefore your account is all reconciled. You have the upper end. No decision is going to happen in the circle without the member. This circle is the members' circle. They make the decisions. As we are here, tunava somba. Togenda sikali tutuale tobata vinga limwata vetenga muigwete mulia kanyama na kwa katua nyori usena nkabi wana kwa kagaitone kaligere liango kaetire buchali kaebetiwe sindani mbiyaga korrekana wana kaliengo karabatenga bono that is when the decision comes in. And other things, yes. Thank you so much.
Mbiyamano tika korone yete kuna yangere go etaiga erinde wana kambulia kocho kabekinsiga.
Ya kutoka kaliero Freddy. Usatoka ende Botswana.
Na kingo te banga kero kende tigete una yangere go etaiga. Toyo totuale reunion yene na ri tukeli totenge wiki no bookings asisinya fam.
Exactly.
Chama jeito to te venga bono ga no to vamos ko ba chama ngana nare no ga kitwa no to akolire abantu baito bare diaspora na bagwa kwana ne sakubya bantu mbaroro kero kinde tuaru simoyo to te venga bono nche investment inkaro ntu akora na nero bantu bare batata gitiko igwa mangana esa ko nga tuara to mire bono chiajire abatuli diaspora tuaru simoyo. I
think we need a platform as a Togo discuss beyond the again to muneke ndo wana takoigora no nyuwete
ninko iwete bicha yo kaye visa
bicha si mi bono eko nyorokinga tindibu yana ende charger ya natima ideas ya anda which
okay
I think we need to open a WhatsApp group or whatever, a bit ring fenced as abantu very serious, but take to invest locally. Na endeba abeire also headhunted. Egeret no nyene kero montore nka o koigugento kwa batebinge kene kenkera. What is your thought about it? Mogani koba involved. Na indonyo moko ganikoba involved. When are you coming? Onye nkarimu nga ikara toke gosenga ina igure, something like that in my opinion.
Thank you so much Professor and madingu mayosena kanyora Dr. Vitanga Damabwa idire bia. Let me see gosena manyora montoga
no arega
Quando Jawaira.
Toko ibule bya kigima ngaki Nairobi.
Ai no mugasuko ko to.
Mbuya kigima esa tu akwane the last time na ndo kwa biru to buati ngora gocha ritanga ni mbuya mone mere me gorama riga se limuri achire musko bachi ochire na ndo na bata bange kene mere mo gokora ni mbuya ritanga ni mbuya mono and so far una covid ya to myogiri na technology ntwegaro to go igunga Dr. Ndamo kende gitanga ni gocha technology ande buna na ko na kuliga iga musko bachi to choto moyo na enda to tebinga na kya utumeka technology asisi nya fam lakini aso wenge kigima ngana kikwale ko tebia bantu baitikiara nguchitole gukora asense mayesako. Okay, daktari wa sida mono naende kurua
naende tatige asare ka ke ko repeat, so I thought I would leave.
Okay.
Okay. Go welcome you mintu machoka. naende na chakatie kere konyora cha kiren korenga is among the pioneers in Kitengela. Ina jite nyumba ya Rositi and Tangan in Ratawa Tevia, Kamagunganya with Irans.
Thank you.
Muntaka Musabe rent Yakabuata came in Chakaveka nyumba Chibao.
You are right.
Karibu.
Asante sana. Nyombeli yamanyete ebwate story nkolikande kitabu. That is why na edit nyombeli nebwate story ntambe sana.
Mbuya mano muske daktari okorang no I think a feedback go delays nini kulende mbuya to I think that happened check it all I thought got on 2 devices it was audio output yao maybe high lakini twa konyolile bono mbia mona semire memia ngende to kolekana ntuna utoko na weto gelinga kero to bwata go professionals in the sako iralia no nyino yo bwate tashwishi ngana ojiko na kusukanga this thing is growing no lio tagete ko genda kombo na mako tabanga bamura gwikanda robo so kwikiagera ga bono ama ngana chiko ko babobe linde twagoroka twakorabia amantu bali muri online muko na kumbolia na kimono togo so esako na bekiri link yabu nere pinned na bali mwabo lingana kitoko nyora mangana igore ya isinya farm ngenda link nero na bekira abu freightlunch.co.ke ase website ya grandgranitediasporasako.com iko ngenda asa wali kringa joinas integeto ko link ase integeto ko code referral code ya Rorioka okolika AGR 2021 iko na ba kumanyanga ngwa watch tie show ye na kero kende ngoitera se show ye kwanyara ko bakogoswa lakini rende eitera ko garanti ngata yare waso ile kiera we katora manyanga bantu mbaroro kero kende kero to kumanyanga tutageti ko nyore mitande kiera woni we are focused tutageti ko rire go chumotu ebinte bitu aiti to ebiko cha biko na go cha we katocharo ke tutsuke go chumotu iko we only need serious people bamanyetenga ingitoko para next kiera na aetoko no onte mweke gusie kenyerenga aetoko no ono nendo yo mito daktari tingo manyanga mbose mikyo wata sabantu wa minto igoro ye sako Dr. Bitangenda
Mbiamono, I think we need at some point to expand to a vision in the yeragera abantu ba
yes
because what matters most is the vision. Nere ko guide nere ragera abantu aminta abangi batujoyi
Mbiamono king madakta
almost my brother at the control igon koboli nagi
yes sir
nga kitora goda tonyore platform wasaba kusibons togo chamo bali barabe willing to a conversation kune lakini not necessarily about membership but about a vision yomogusi I don't know who nchebono ende morato tebi kuna toko and about it nero understand it giving the digital platform tindiko nyigubu yego na naba tebi njenomo and the analog lakini I believe nga tuwale kanyore platform wasi toko brainstorm worldwide kuna bono wate banga bantu bali wase in Switzerland, Avande, Barega. Don't we, beyond again, the years second, when I go to a vision, come on, see Gatoko Gamba, or Sebano, other channels in Bokorajiri in Tune.
Mbuya mono ke me kerengere rieki yake gima na inche kagetenga bona garotu akwani de una daktari nde amara mangana a technology na morali una nera join it sako ndochenga we are on the right track kiagera maybe through this sako inchire those professionals well never isiko sako will still to gende go kwana torolenga. What can we do? Bunomogushi, chinga kichi, chigende. I think we'll deliberate more. As a being an area, in the Tonyo Lenga. Ntoseti no nyanga gigi to tebenga. Bono tiango tura kwanero I wait to Uagushi. Kerengere rieki yakima, Timatium to Lydia, Nina Guaga deva manganai.
And you were thinking, I want to Rabisa. Mbete. But this is really the right trend, Mr. Fred. What small groups out there. So the best thing is how to combine the small groups to have one agenda. These small groups actually aligned to different aspects of life. Ngirana esako wana buni yeiga ebyombe binde byogo talira na byabangina mbabwate the men's group women's group, but we can look away, we can join all these. We start small so we can end big. This is where we are going to make it a start point. So at least we have a quorum here. This quorum we can leverage it. Let's use our societal concept to leverage that to get our members together. Our circle can be, yes, our circle can be what can bring abagusiamo. Igobononga nonyoro riondo gojo kuna kweburuga kerago chanyo renge nyumba gere organized. Trust me, he will toe or she will toe in line. Achanyo renge koro to koruseli gesiri kiamnyo kabake jikoni esinki nera na bako koraigo. Lakini anyo rengo koruseli koro to wagetigan sikari kwebongu sama bako wacha wesaba komanya ukwanera abantu kuzokwa kwani abantu. They will do the same. So let's set the precedence by starting the way we are starting right now. Unajua wanasema jina jema ungara gizani. What name do we have out there? Is your name going to be that light can pull people towards the righteous path? So what we can do here as the circle, we have to disregard the noise and make sure we are building our financial future goals. And not only for future goals for finances, toira new one chani wolibu no gatera kolimu untiriate baga okoenda wasa begi yeseli leron keyo. Lakini nabotogo keirani in a different way. Kiagara di technology ya ringere technology ne. So we can have that angle to get our agenda forward. So we have to step forward, and by stepping forward, us as the circle, we have a strategic position that we have laid across, and that is leveraging our CMEs. No, Richard Fred Noara, we have Erastus Miencha, we have Dr. Vitange here, and we always talk to Mr. Maruve Kak, CEO. Madam Alice is here on the legal aspect. So we are all round catered for. Yogi, Mr. Fred Navago to Beke Radio, until Navago to Beka, Turtichi Moles, Navarito Merita Macondo. That is nice. We still have that. So that demographic segmentation we have identified, yomogusi na voto would drive the agenda forward. Yentonke go sinya. Iko bago tayanga bagusi to the followers. Yeah. We are actually also starters. This is what we can tell the world. Some gusinene starters. Tali omondo kubugati gentabantu bande bakolidi. So Omoralion Tiri, thank you so much for giving us this platform. There is that link for joining us. Members, already got several inquiries here. Thank you so much. If you can get something that can help you in the future, build your community. Dr. Fred, Dr. Vitange. para weta gochaka korukeroka abang'ina bari tibakipara gati nande gere gatongo keriura ararime gande muntu tarorango muntu naroro. Yeah, so there are so many things. Avocado chikuna kugundaria. We can find a way to get those ones from there. Tonye nyorega avocado irango gore dora nkuri na tanga gakie no ni sesenya ege kwanga. Chiritogo tugutankali. Amatoke rinda arasiremo. Go ahead.
Vago chiroka gosenki rietaria ke Mexico.
Guacamole.
Yeah, so we have so many things we can leverage as a community. Soapstone is right there. So one inumna our CMEs more on the ground. We are here. Our eyes are fixed onto you to give us a guide. Amagenaria kuruchi wale chiabo girangoga no nyam factory ga twera korekende avocado to chirosi bono chirikingia kabisa chira meet the national standard. Yeah. Amananasi naro rokuruo gembo mate galia amatokalia makati garte. We can still do that. We have the talents that we can mold. So that is how we come in. That is how we come in as the SACCO, and with your guidance we can vouch the agenda for the community forward. Thank you so much, Omoralion Tiri.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Lilian yabantu bategerembia mono igombata chita kaibere chioka. But I thank you. Anko ba keranga mbia mona singing cho yoko ba amo na chinga chabene kingma. Na waigo wali mogende kumboria chimesmesi ga mogende kulikanga ngaki tokonyora mangana ya elinki tuashia nayo mwancho motegerero yo turigeretie ensema ya YouTube, Facebook. Those are permanent links igo na bokwira nanga kiende yonsi gabu ilindo nyara konyora obotomu obo na onye gotagete kumanya mange the right procedure nearing agenda sichilingi chi website na kubekira ogende about us ilindo nyara kumanya mange ensema buna bono yesako tobwate ensema ya education gocha investment early savings ilindo manye ekiagera ikae fora muntu hucho kwa koronsi ipi inde oike kwemanya na mangana buna kolengana oraganie kubwatekana na kiryoganete konyora asenseme yomto obusira gumagusibuya ominto Misati Joseph tonte betinga yoturigete kurwa aisabero barago tebanga ningi bwana tugotwarerio mboyo mowe kiombe kyominto na kubekere link ya Busami Burundu. I can't be able to sign. Okay, your email is not valid. What is the referee na kubekere ga referee rika AGR 2021 elinde onyara koba akoko join ya ni email yao onoliroria mangana email yaro igora rigerienga no wate email yengi ya alsinya batembiye mono kima kunyisa mocha Saudi. Kuruso Douglas, igagoteba great information. Thank you for sharing. Mangana maya kimaso omugushi na bali mwende tuguturigireria chinse mochedals forward mbi mono ngogotebi ango kunyolinga chinsa isano na isato chiri Marekani ya kati Halifax Ariabuto International House of Hope tokoletera na chinsa ikomene monenu sunko mere asembe onaende no yomto John Nganga from the pilot to funeral home owner chinsa mochedals. Yes.
Otara kora rende my give me my flowers when I can smell them. Don't give me my flowers when I'm not there. If you allow me to this spaghetti, I give some flowers. Also, you mean our elder Omogaka Fred Obaji Machoka. He is a great leader, an example in our community. Omogaka how to live a clean life and a respectable life. As I'm on the ones, we have a good example. So to me, hats off to Uncle Fred for what you have done and what you are continuing to do. And thank you so much for joining this organization. It is an affirmation of the organization doing a good job. We need to form a platform for Omogusi in general. It's a good idea that we need actually to follow up and make sure that it becomes a reality more than just a dream.
Mbiomono kero kende mbiomono na sikiriro bwate kangana kamolinde elinde totarakura. The forum is open.
So we are, as our marketing team at the Grand Granite Diaspora Circle, we are trying to see if we can launch our marketplace. Our marketplace, no, Mr. Fred Agocha alike information ya yeye ranch. Njoli ntagete kogenda alike nyanta tenkole nyange kapisa yugo kumia yankale na akorete, but I can do the second one. Yoko inyolia awacho kurunga mambo ni mzuri iko kwa anniversary. So we can have him have his details over there. So once it's done, it's a form of where our members can advertise their products. Madam Alice Oeri, she's the lawyer. She can write what type of lawyer is she. She is the family lawyer, about immigration, or what kind of lawyer she is. So abantu bamintu bamanyanga ntubwato muntu raturwanirire, yeah. Dr. Ndemo nabwate information yaye is full of data. Abantu bamanyanga Dr. Ndemo insakogenda sale inyore the right information. I'm looking for the feasibility of a certain area. Ose kitengela nkalikulia umuntu orankonye with that study, it will be Dr. Ndemo Bitange. If I need to know more about Isinya, I will go to Freddy's ranch and I will get the information, or I'll call him and get the information. So that is what we are going to leverage in terms of exposing our members to what is happening in the community. About the real estate, they will put there. Mr. Ontiri will put there. Nakiago to chachi matanga. Ekerto isaransuta chitonguru ngago to bongurura. Ekerogo kole nyangyo tagete chi. And over YouTube and Facebook, Mr. Ontiri will be able to give his details over there, how to contact him, what kind of product they need, so that you can get the information. So that is what I'll tell you from the marketing place. Abantaba gusieva mintava ya join the Grand Granite. Wacha tusukume hii really ndio tuweze kuendelea mbele. Thank you so much and God bless you. And now we end the game. Yeah.
Yeah, Omogambi, can I top up with my chair for marketing what she has said? Gedina, you can never go wrong with this organization. I'm giving a personal testimony. Since I've joined, I have seen great things, a very cooperative organization. You have a voice, you can speak your mind. No, they will listen to you, they will respect your opinion, and they will give a proper feedback based on what you have asked. Now, in there, you are given a room to explain yourself and express yourself and give your ideas, and all ideas are welcome. But you are hesitant, please join. This is your time. Join us. Let's move our community together. Let's develop ourselves. That is my encouragement. Please join us. Let us not waste time. Let us come together, and we have a great platform. We have a great organization. You will never go wrong with Grand Granite. Please join.
Mbiyamana abageni bahito mebiondo watenga nalimo.
Ngateba mbiyamano nche Fred Machoka. Ngateba mbiyamano. I appreciate the opportunity. Naende gento Lilian ya kwanega bonga a platform ya marketing ekinege ntekeronge kera konya abantu baminto ntoga netibono na intukolengera ringe keroko enda korano nyono munyagitali kora nyoro munyagitali yo minoro moronge na boko gendo rokonyeke bono nto na kuobwanga kogenda aso muntu minare nga igobono nobogesa kuokoligia no economic empowerment negento kero monta aragani. So we should not feel embarrassed nganga kwaka onyo monto mino otakonya nyarebe na no yo takonya nere na bwato yo ngabo somewhere. There is nothing wrong with that.
Mbiyamano kima. Chenga we kana nto juturigia fora mwende na Daktari Jacob na wagonte winga mangana mbiyare kurwenseme yende yo mintonga ke mangana mbiyare Richard asante sana bali mwenzi bimwarge ga kinganchirenga na nto juturigi chinga kitinde. But on a honest note, thank you so much. Into manyitinga emero moneming. And I'm into marketing also. Thank you so much because into nevinge kicking mamuatica. No, in Java, Vanda to win whatever, Vatali, and the thought that Vangachika Virachinde go and bake go, Baka Comina Monarina could even diabo. Acadamia, Mia Comus Kunga, on Turanga, Ovanga, Kimono Waga, and Chiraika. Yeah, Chinsa Jira, the Nata and Obi. Orang angkat penyeteli sing. Lagi punya mono. Almost ke Ezron Indubi. Can we speed up investment project in about Akobolia? Almost ke Indubi so that yang orang awantu bagan jadi investment. Mana mangana wika. Mangana abalai wajai gule. Elinde toligelinga. Cibe sanchira ciwi tiga tubrate totalalia. Retasi to invest pape mesu buku etarai kau karanga mangana angere kokonga. Eji fiziki go jatu asa make sabu nga. Bueno, mono king maso koligeliana na kwa mona bagusi Global Radio. Ne go yare ke kati sa grande diaspora sa como ancho matege no yo toligere tien ko te bingo siende bali ko manyitora mange. Abayigo lituko olia Jumatano ninkuirorera mangana igoro ya investment bono manyenga nkiki okwanerwa igoro ya investment na liora nyale ko bagokwe manya mangana mate.
So I guess that is it. Thank you so much. Ono marayo ntiri tuaira nire birandi wo bona yagendera bona twakonya. Thank you Mr. George, Madam Alice, Erastus Mwenche, our ambassador, Mr. Fred Joel. Thanks everybody. A shout